Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Languages and Input, Languages, Other Languages. So here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. As you can see, it's not that big, so I don't know which one to pick. For example, Polish. And then tap Apply Language. And language will be changed to Polish immediately. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the Ustawienia, then System, Języki, Languages I metody wprowadzania, Języki, and drag English back on top. Or just tap on it and select Zastosuj język. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.